You look up, and the sky curves in a way it never has before. A massive dark shape rises over the horizon, bigger than the moon, closer than anything should ever be. In the next 3 seconds, oceans lift, buildings strain, and gravity itself pulls sideways. Something enormous is coming, and Earth is in its way. You don't feel the danger at first, you feel a vibration. A soft hum rising through the ground, like something deep beneath your feet just woke up. But the truth isn't below you. It's above. A curved shadow rises over the horizon, not a cloud, not an eclipse, a planet. Your breath catches. The shape grows fast, too fast, stretching across the sky like a dark continent hanging in the air. You blink once, twice, thinking your eyes are wrong, but the horizon keeps bending. Earth is being pulled toward it. The first effect hits your body before your mind understands. Gravity changes. Your weight increases in sharp pulses, as if someone is pressing down on your shoulders. Loose objects begin sliding toward the horizon. A parked car tilts forward. A traffic light bends like it's bowing. Two planets don't collide gently. They tear each other apart long before they touch. At the coastline, waves lift upward as if pulled by invisible ropes. Water drains from beaches and rises into the air, forming towering arcs that stretch toward the incoming world. Boats rock on their sides, harbors empty in seconds. People freeze as the ocean seems to climb the sky. The air thickens. Your ears pop. Pressure builds. Buildings groan as their foundations drag sideways. Street poles tilt. Glass trembles. The entire planet is being stretched, pulled like soft metal under a giant magnet. Your phone buzzes with an alert, but the screen flickers, shaking from the gravitational distortion. The message is impossible to read, but the warning tone alone is enough to raise your heartbeat. You grab a railing as the ground beneath you tilts a few degrees. It feels small, but at a planetary scale, it's catastrophic. Birds spiral in the sky, unable to navigate. A plane in the distance pitches dangerously, engines struggling against a gravity that no longer agrees with Earth. Then the air begins to glow. Not from lightning, but from compression. Dust, gas, ocean vapor. All the material trapped between the two planets begins heating rapidly. The atmosphere brightens into a dull red haze. Winds shift direction, pulled upward and sideways at once. The incoming planet is enormous now. So close you can see ridges, clouds, mountains. A whole world rushing toward yours. The winds scream, trees bend, roofs strain. Debris lifts from the streets. The atmosphere is no longer stable. It's being siphoned between two colliding worlds. The first physical touch is not a crash, it's a fusion. Crust meets crust in a flash hotter than molten steel. Rock vaporizes. Magma erupts upward in arcs thousands of kilometers high. The shockwave travels around Earth faster than sound, flattening everything in a clean, unstoppable sweep. Continents buckle. Mountains fold. Oceans flash into steam. The surface melts like wax under a blowtorch. But the true terror isn't the destruction. It's the realization that this has happened before. Events like this formed our moon, reshaped planets, and rewrote entire solar systems. This is not science fiction. This is cosmic physics, and when two planets meet, physics doesn't break. It simply decides which world gets to survive. If you want more catastrophic physics scenarios, hit subscribe. And tell me in the comments what should PhysiXor break next.